Good day, esteemed judges, representing the category of Pendidikan and Pembelajaran at the PENANG IDX Challenge 2026, we are proud to introduce EquiRead, an innovative software solution engineered to empower dyslexic students through personalized multisensory learning. To understand what is EquiRead, we must first look at the problem. Standard static text creates an invisible wall of friction for 5 to 10% of students globally. When a dyslexic student attempts to read, they face what we call the anatomy of reading friction. Letters physically rotate or swap, causing severe visual crowding. This demands immense mental energy, leading to rapid cognitive fatigue, and ultimately takes a heavy emotional toll, leaving a children isolated and anxious about falling left behind. EquiRead completely eliminates this friction by transforming static text into a deeply customized interactive experience. We enable students to read with ease using adaptable typography, learn with confidence via active tracking and AI assistance, and ensure they never fall behind by providing a private digitized ecosystem that moves at their own pace. Traditional reading apps simply lack what these students need. While standard apps rely on static system fonts and silent reading, EquiRead provides specialized typography and synchronized real-time text-to-speech. Instead of manual eye tracking, we use haptic vibration guidance. We replace tedious dictionary lookups with our on-demand AI Explain Simply engine and accept inputs from camera OCR, web pages, and PDFs instead of just digital files. This is made possibly by our multi-sensory engine, which synchronizes four core pillars. Sight provides weighted, dyslexia-friendly typography. Sound matches spoken syllables directly to spelling via text-to-speech. Touch introduces kinesthetic guidance using rhythmic device vibrations to physically anchor and pull the reader's eye focus from left to right. And Cognition leverages AI to translate complex sentences into bite-sized concepts. Looking closer, we integrate the open source Open Dyslexic typeface featuring heavy bottoms to prevent visual letter rotation. Simultaneously, our AI handles comprehension gaps. If a student encounters an overwhelming academic term like deontology, a single tap of the AI Explain Simply button instantly translates it into plain language without breaking their reading flow. Under the hood, EquiRead is built on the Flutter framework for seamless cross-platform deployment on Android and iOS. We utilize Riverport for state management to flawlessly sync heavy asynchronous tasks like text highlighting, audio, and haptic pulses. The entire codebase was natively built within Visual Code Studio. Our development timelines strictly follow a methodical trajectory. We progress from initial user empathy and classroom research in phase 1 to wireframing and interface mapping in phase 2. This moved into core feature integration in phase 3, culminating in intense debugging and our first successful functional live build in phase 4. The user journey begins with incredible simplicity. First, a user configures their personal text and vibration preference. Second, they capture text instantly via a live camera photo of a physical worksheet, a PDF upload, or a direct web link. Third, our OCR engine processes and extracts the text into our clean reading interface within seconds. Inside the active reading view, the student has full interactive control. They can hit play for real-time highlighted text-to-speech, enable gentle haptic tracking under their thumb to guide eye focus, or tap the simplify icon for instant cognitive and vocabulary support. EquiRead is a dual-sided ecosystem for the user. My library automatically saves past materials and tracks reading streaks to build self-confidence. For institutions, our integrated teacher dashboard offers data-driven insight into student engagement, allowing educators to assign targeted reading material and monitor progress effortlessly. This positions us perfectly to capture a massive global gap in assistive ed tech. Our target market scales beyond dyslexia to slow readers and general special education demographics. By aligning with expanding AI digital learning trends, we open highly viable B2B scaling paths for schools, tuition centers, and institutional facilities through flexible subscription tiers. Ultimately, EquiRead ensures a frictionless reading experience with dramatically better focus, driving true independence and classroom inclusion. This project was developed by me, Muhammad Aiman, alongside my friends Muhammad Nazim and Muhammad Firdaus under the expert supervision of Madam Nur Nadira. That is all from me. Thank you.